Hello and welcome. In today's video, where I'll show you how to turn off auto download on WhatsApp quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Next, tap on the three dots in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Now, in the Settings menu, tap on Storage and Data. Here, under Media Auto Download, you'll see options for when using mobile data, when connected on Wi-Fi, and when roaming. Tap on mobile data first, then uncheck all media types like photos, audio, videos, and documents, and tap OK. Next, do the same under Wi-Fi if you don't want files to download automatically. Finally, repeat the process for roaming. Once you're done, auto download will be turned off. And that's it. You have successfully disabled auto download on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.